The Dell XPS16 is a premium laptop that balances performance, design, and functionality, catering primarily to professionals and creatives. Design and build quality. Premium materials. The XPS16 features a sleek aluminum chassis and carbon fiber palm rest, giving it a sophisticated and durable look. The build quality is exceptional, making it feel robust and high-end. Display. It typically comes with a stunning 16-inch display, available in full HD or 4K OLED options. The screen offers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness levels, making it ideal for content creation and media consumption. Performance processor. Powered by Intel's latest Core i7 or i9 processors, the XPS16 handles demanding applications with ease, making it suitable for tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and software development. Graphics. Equipped with NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics, it provides excellent performance for graphics-intensive tasks and gaming, making it versatile for both work and play. RAM and storage. Configurations typically include up to 64 GB of RAM and fast SSD options up to 2 TB, ensuring smooth multitasking and quick file access. Features keyboard and trackpad. The backlit keyboard is comfortable for extended typing sessions with good key travel. The Precision touchpad is responsive and supports multi-touch gestures, enhancing productivity. Ports. The XPS16 offers a good selection of ports, including USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, and an HDMI port. However, some users might miss traditional USB-A ports or an SD card slot. Audio. The laptop features high-quality speakers that deliver impressive sound, making it suitable for media playback and video conferencing. Battery life. The battery life is generally strong, offering several hours of use under normal conditions. However, high-performance tasks can lead to quicker battery drain, so it's important to manage settings according to usage. Cooling system. The cooling system is effective at maintaining performance during intensive tasks, with fans that manage to keep noise levels relatively low compared to competitors. The Dell XPS16 is a top-tier laptop that excels in design, performance, and display quality, making it an ideal choice for professionals in creative fields. Its robust performance, premium build, and stunning display make it a standout option in the premium laptop market. Thank you.